Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review video on another set of shoebox organizers. Now this is my 6th different review video on shoeboxes, so I'm pretty well versed in this era. And I've tested the top brands on Amazon. I've tested the Susano, Seaspring, Dulamo, Clemate, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but Q-Jacked. And then these are the Pinkpum. Hopefully I'm saying all those brands correctly. But I'll say that the Clemate and the Dulamo are different than the Seaspring, Susano, Q-Jacked, and these. Those last 4 that I just named, these are all kind of similar, except the Seaspring has a different mechanism holding them together, but we'll discuss that. But this is what it looks like. This is a large white already put together. And then here I have 2 that are stacked on each other and with shoes in them already. But assembly is very important because I could see a lot of people getting these in the mail, take a good look at what's in them and the directions and just be like, no, I don't know how to do it, and return them. But once you actually get a hang of it and see how to do it, you just get it and it clicks. So let me show you. All right, so in the package, you are going to get 12 of these flat plastic, they'll look like plastic sheets. And then you'll get 12 of these, which are the back to the shoe boxes. And then, of course, 12 of these, which are the front and where the door is to open the shoe boxes. So, number 1 tip and the most important part of assembling these. Well, first, actually, you'll have to open them. You'll see that there's creases right here and right here. So they're already pre-made creases, so you easily just have to fold where the creases are, and it should form a box-like shape. But then this is the important part. See these tabs? There's 4 of them. There's 2 here, and then, or actually, no, sorry. There's 2 on each side, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 total. But this is a really important step, which I can't stress this enough because the first time I assembled any of these kind of shoe boxes, I was going nuts until I figured this out. You want to press these in as tightly as possible. Make sure they all are pressed in before you try to slide the door or the back onto them because it just is not going to work. And like I said, it might take 1 or 2 to get used to it. It's been a while since I put these type of shoe organizers together, but let's give it a shot. Here's the inside. You could see there's openings around the edges, so I'm just going to line the corner up and then just fit it around the door. And then you should hear clicks when it's in the right spot. Hang on. I heard clicks. Click, click. So the back door is on. So now we just had to put the front door on. Now you're gonna do the door the same way. So I'm just gonna make sure the tabs are all in and then take a corner, line it up, and then you'll hear clicks or snaps here. And there you go. And then door opens like that. And then you'll see at the bottom here, there's these little tabs, and that's the stacking mechanism. So these front 2 tabs will fit on top of the box, and then you will put them on in the back, and then they are going to line up nicely like that. And that's what's different about these and the other brands versus the Susano. The Susano has these openings on the sides and the tops, and I don't know, they're tabs almost, and the tabs click in together on the sides. And it makes them a lot more secure. If you went to tip it over, they would completely stay together. However, it's not as aesthetically pleasing. So that's the assembly, and then you just keep going. And it's really not that bad. Just fold where the pre-made lines are. Click in the tabs. Start with the corner. Line it up. Click. I hear clicks. Click, 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 click. Click. Same with the top. And if you mess up, you just pull it right off and start over. All right, so corner. Another one done. All right, so I'm just going to finish assembling these.